Marked up all the photographs, put the memories away. Told myself I'd be fine if I walked out yesterday. But every room feels colder, the nights feel twice as long. I thought I'd find my freedom here, but it feels like I got it wrong. The cards are on the table, how can I resist? One more look behind me before I stick or twist. Stick or twist, should I stay or should I go? Stick or twist into the unknown. Every mile leaves another piece I miss. I'm standing at the crossroads. Do I stick or do I twist? Or do I twist? New town, new streets, new faces, I still don't fit the frame. Everyone is settled here while I search for my place. New view outside my window, new name above my door. But something keeps on telling me I'm still looking for something more. The cards are on the table, how can I resist? One more look behind me before I stick or twist. Stick or twist, should I stay or should I go? Stick or twist into the stick or do I twist? Maybe every answer hides somewhere in between. Not every road is black and white, and not what it seems. Maybe home is not a place, and just a state of mind. Until I know for certain, I'll keep searching for the sign. Do I stick or do I twist? Or do I twist? The cards are on the table, how can I resist? One more look behind me